Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. This is coming from Amzchef. This is a slow juicer. We're definitely going to be wheezing some juice in a little bit. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. All you got to do is, guys, just check them out. Link will be down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. So if you like this item, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship this to you fast. And if you had some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. You can do everything. Fruits and veggies, whatever you want to juice up. They got different colors to choose from. This is 60 decibel, low decibel motor. Small caliber press. That word, juicer. Intelligent protection chips. Reverse function. Definitely can't wait to try this out. We're doing some oranges in the kitchen. So same thing on the back and then on the sides. So we'll get into it. And we got some stuff here. And here's the main unit. Let me get this out. Here we go. Oops, sorry about that. We got the white one. There's the on and off switch, or the on and reverse. So this is a nice one compared to the ones I have unboxed before. So definitely excited to see how this works. So like I said, I got different ones, and I think this is the best one that I have received through this journey. We got the different parts. We got the manual. They have a nice detailed out. They show 1 through 10 what items are called, so properly labeled. Hopefully it's an easy install. So, I mean, each one's different, but they pretty much do all the same thing. And we got the juicer. Alright, so number 1 is the power cord, 2 is the base unit, or the housing unit, 3 is this on and off switch, 4 is the locking button, which is right here. That's the locking button. The juice container, I do believe, is that one. Those two right there. Same with number 6. 6 is going to be called, what is 6 called? Pulp container. So that's where the pulp goes. If you want pulp and no pulp, I prefer no pulp. We got the tray. Is this one? This is a tray for the top. I call this thing the smasher, but it has a name for it. So that is number 7. This is called a plunger or the smasher. Plunger reminds me of the toilet. So the tray, the feed chute is number 9, which is, I think we already showed this one. That guy. The drum, the auger. The auger is going to be this guy right here. It's inside. Kind of looks suspicious. But there you go. Just put it right through there. So I already got that part set up. And next is going to be something. Where did it go? The juicing screen is number 12, which is this thing, the cheese grater, I call it. That is a juicing screen. Alright. Learn something new every day. And end cap is number 13. That looks like this little dude right here. This is the end cap. That's where it comes out. See? Pretty nice size hole. And the wrench. So number 14. That's the wrench. Please use the wrench to remove the juicer cover in clockwise direction if you find the juicer cover is difficult to remove after juicing. Okay. So you could use it now or after. How to assemble shows you pretty well detailed how to set it up. Like I said, I already got the first 3 steps done. And then I'm going to pause you guys in a second, install this, show you guys the finished product, and do a little test run and around the 7-minute mark. So, alright guys, brace yourselves. Alright guys, that was pretty quick, about 5-10 minutes tops. But if you have older folks that might want to get into this, you might want to help them set it up. But pretty much it's easy to use, or easy to set up. We'll do the test run in about 30 seconds. And you get a little brush to clean, so that's really cool. And you got this one to clean out the pulp and stuff. We got the smasher. Here she is, all set up, ready to rock and roll. So, yeah, it's really cool. I like the color, I like the design. Looks futuristic, kind of like the Jetsons. There's the top. All the way down. All the way around. Alright guys, we're going to go in the kitchen and squeeze some juice, buddy. Alright guys, we are in the kitchen. We got it set up, turned on, just about 2 seconds. And now we're going to be freshly squeezed. Got the oranges all chopped up. I think this is the best view, probably. Ooh. Alright, it's quiet. Oh, wow. Look at that. The pulp goes there. Oh, this is cool. This is really easy to do. And we're going to do the smasher in a second. Or the plunger. There we go, baby. Look at that action going. There you go. Come on. And you can do this like pumpkins probably. Make some pumpkin juice or look at that. Freeze dry those up. Freshly squeezed. I mean, if you add more oranges, you'll get more, you know the story. But no pulp. Let me get a little shot glass and do a little shot with you guys. And then see how this tastes. Alright guys, sorry about that. The phone died, so I had to recharge it. Shot. Here we go. Good stuff. Easy to clean. Just remember, press the lock button. That's gonna be hard to do with one hand. There we go. Take the lid off. Twist. See? We got a little juices in there. Clean that off with a brush. Clean that, wipe it down. Pull that out. A little messy, but it's alright. And then pull that out, clean it up, rinse it out, or throw it in the dishwasher. You're good to go for the next day. So really cool. Check them out, Amzchef, right on Amazon. Link will be down below. Like I said, that is my affiliate link. So all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. So, and don't forget to use a brush. And if you get to a little problem, use a wrench. But everything is coming out smooth. So, pretty good though. And like I said, you can freeze dry that. I don't know what people do with it, but you can try it. So, alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.